No-dig gardening is a simple and effective way to grow vegetables. This method involves minimal disturbance to the soil, which helps maintain its natural structure and health. It's easier on your back and better for the soil. By not turning the soil, you preserve the natural ecosystem within it. No-dig means you don't have to turn the soil with a spade or fork. This reduces the physical effort required and minimizes soil erosion. This keeps the good things in the soil, like worms and tiny helpers. These organisms play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and enriching the soil. Instead of digging, you create layers of organic matter on top of your existing soil. This can include compost, mulch, and other organic materials. This mimics how nature builds healthy soil in forests and meadows. In these natural environments, organic matter accumulates on the surface and decomposes over time. Over time, these layers decompose and feed your plants. This process creates a rich, fertile soil that supports robust plant growth. No-dig gardening is perfect for beginners. It's straightforward and doesn't require specialized tools or extensive knowledge. It's also great for experienced gardeners who want an easier, more eco-friendly way to garden. By adopting no-dig practices, you can enjoy a productive garden with less effort and a smaller environmental footprint. To start your no-dig garden, you'll need 3 main materials: compost, mulch, and cardboard. These materials are essential for creating a healthy, thriving garden without the need for tilling or digging. They work together to enrich the soil, retain moisture, and suppress weeds, making your gardening experience more enjoyable and productive. Think of them as your gardening allies. Each one plays a crucial role in ensuring your plants grow strong and healthy. Compost. This is your soil's best friend. It's full of nutrients that plants love. Compost improves soil structure, increases its ability to hold water, and provides a slow-release source of nutrients. You can make your own compost or buy it from garden centers. Homemade compost can be made from kitchen scraps, garden waste, and other organic materials, making it a sustainable option. Mulch. This is like a cozy blanket for your soil. It helps to keep it moist and suppress weeds. Mulch also helps to regulate soil temperature, protecting plant roots from extreme heat or cold. Good mulch options include straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves. Each type of mulch has its own benefits, so choose the one that best suits your garden's needs. Cardboard. This acts as a weed barrier. It also decomposes and adds organic matter to the soil. Cardboard is an excellent way to recycle and repurpose materials that would otherwise go to waste. Make sure to use plain, unprinted cardboard. Avoid using cardboard with glossy finishes or heavy inks, as these can contain chemicals that are harmful to your garden. Now, let's build your no-dig garden bed. This method is perfect for those who want a low-maintenance garden that thrives without the need for tilling or digging. Prepare the area. Clear any existing weeds or grass. This step is crucial to ensure that your garden bed starts off on the right foot, free from any unwanted plants that could compete with your vegetables. You can do this by simply laying the cardboard directly on top to smother them. The cardboard acts as a barrier, preventing light from reaching the weeds and grass underneath, effectively killing them off. Lay down the cardboard. Overlap the pieces by a few inches to prevent weeds from sneaking through. This overlapping technique ensures that there are no gaps for weeds to exploit, giving your garden bed a clean slate. Add a thick layer of compost. Spread a layer of compost about 4 to 6 inches deep on top of the cardboard. This compost layer will provide essential nutrients to your plants, promoting healthy growth and robust yields. Water well. Give the entire bed a good soaking with water. This helps to settle the compost and cardboard layers, ensuring they are in close contact with the soil below. Add a layer of mulch. Spread a layer of mulch about 2 to 3 inches deep on top of the compost. The mulch helps to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and gradually adds organic matter to the soil as it breaks down. Now, you're ready to plant your veggies and watch your no-dig garden flourish. Section 4. Reaping the rewards, healthier soil, fewer weeds. No-dig gardening offers numerous benefits for you and your garden. Improved soil health. The layers of organic matter improve soil structure, drainage, and nutrient content. It becomes a haven for beneficial organisms. Reduced weeds. The cardboard and mulch act as barriers, suppressing weed growth. Less watering. The mulch helps retain moisture in the soil, reducing the need for frequent watering. Easier on your body. No more back-breaking digging. No-dig gardening is gentle on your body. Section 5. No-dig gardening for beginners. Top tips. Here are some tips to help you succeed with no-dig gardening. Start small. Don't feel overwhelmed. Begin with a small bed and expand as you gain confidence. Water consistently. Keep the layers moist, especially during dry periods. Water deeply and less often. Replenish mulch. Add more mulch as needed to maintain a 2 to 3 inch layer. Be patient. It takes time for the soil to improve. You'll see the best results over time. Section 6. Embrace the no-dig revolution. No-dig gardening is a rewarding and sustainable way to grow your own food. It's easy, effective, and good for the planet. Give it a try and enjoy the bounty of your no-dig garden.